So new flight is 11:20. I might not film the second flight because we're seated in the middle, but it's fine. By the way, we're just gonna ask permission to use the choice seat or take a video of the window seat. So if the other passengers are beside me, that's fine. So see you again inside the plane. American Airlines. So let's chill here. My flight starts at 4:40 and we'll arrive in San Diego around at least like in the evening, which is 6:55. So we're about to use American Airlines. So we'll rest for just 2.5 hours. So in the Charlotte airport. So see you in the cabin. So I wanna clip the boarding, so I'll see you in the cabin. Okay. It's only 1 hour left before our flight, and so I wanna film the cabin anymore. So I'll be in the middle, next to the aisle. So I might not film the takeoff and landing going back to San Diego. So I already filmed Orlando to Charlotte. So just gonna show you my flight path using flight radar on the slide in the CapCut. So I'm gonna use CapCut to have a slideshow on the flight radar from Charlotte to San Diego. And once the slideshow is finished, if I'm already back in San Diego airport, and I'm gonna end this clip in the San Diego arrival hall. So yeah, stay safe and safe travels. Stay safe to all Americans, and thank you for our family vacation through inside US. See you in California. Boeing 777 aircraft. American Airlines Boeing 777. That thing that's going to Europe. Okay. Going back to the 11. There's a view of American Airlines here. See you in the cabin. Okay, so we're inside the cabin already. I'll see you in San Diego. So I wanna trip everything, so I'm just gonna use a flight radar slideshow to go back there. So see you in San Diego airport once we landed. And yeah, see you then later. Peace be with you.
All flights are non-smoking,
Hey guys,
including e-cigarettes, vape devices, and smokeless tobacco. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. Doing so may result in a fine. For safety reasons, e-cigarettes and vape devices may not be plugged into any power source while on board the airplane. The safety and move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, the exit door slides in the front and back of the airplane. Remove the vest. Pull the tab or compartment handle to break the seal. If equipped with an elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. Take the vest out as shown on the safety card and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and pull tight. Once outside, pull the tab to inflate your vest or blow into the red tube. In the water, a light on your vest will automatically illuminate. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a crew member. See your safety card for more details on how to use it. We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. Individual reading light controls are at each seat. It's our honor to...
Sorry. Taxiing to the runway. Alright, American Airlines. CRJ 700, American Airlines. Dami nagtataxi. Okay. Grabe yung lineup. Turn right. There we go. Cabin crew prepare for takeoff. Cabin crew takeoff stations. Bro, that's the runway. That's the runway. Here it goes. It's like runway 24. About 1 hour, we're about to descend towards San Diego, and we're gonna arrive a few minutes before them. The lights below. Sir, and we are now welcome to California. Okay. So, hello, San Diego. So we're using runway 27 and the landing will be on the right side of the wing. So no view of the San Diego airport. Yeah, we're about to land on the runway 27. So that's their final approach. San Diego Zoo. Yan na. Here we go. Runway 27. 100. 10.
We would like to be the first to welcome you to San Diego, where it's currently 7:12 p.m. As a reminder, please stay with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has turned off his seatbelt sign. Keep the aisles
Welcome back
clear
to
of all
San
items.
Diego.
Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and surrounding areas to ensure all your belongings like cell phones, tablets, chargers, and passports, as well as you deplane, you will not be able to re-enter. Today,
That's the Delta section. It's raining in San Diego. Alright, we're in this detour in immigration and the baggage claim. Thank you. So we're here in San Diego International Airport. So we'll see you at the immigration, and thank you for having a wonderful family vacation with all of us and Locus and Tulayan. So we'll end this video at San Diego arrival hall after the baggage claim. Thank you.
Who won? Did the Panthers win?
So we already arrived at 7:12 in the evening. So that's the current landing time then. And we're gonna end this video, and they're gonna end this video in San Diego International Airport. So yeah, so it's a very long, not just long, sometimes a long and peaceful flight for 4 hours, 4.5 hours flight from starting from 1 hour flight, which is Orlando to Charlotte. Then next is Charlotte to San Diego with a complete 4 hour flight in this direct flight. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And okay, hey guys, so this is Lola.
Yeah.
Hello. This is Lolo. Lolo.
Okay, you
hello.
You have
So yeah. So here's the luggages already. Galing sila ng Southwest, and here's the numbers right there.
You will come back.
Yeah. And by the way, yeah. By the way, how is your flight, Lola? So we hope you enjoy this video, and God, we'll see you again next time. See you again next time. We'll see you again real soon before we send them to airport again, going back to Philippines. Thank you. See you.